Hey guys, welcome to Shymkent. We are in the new part of the town. We have two parts, the old town and the new town. And the place where we are now is called the Monument of Baydibek B. The monument itself is known to be one of the tallest in Kazakhstan, with the hill, the posture, and the monument itself. So nowadays, our city is growing to the north direction and it has all the infrastructure for tourism and good entertainment. So please, if you have time to come to Shymkent, do visit the new part of it. And we continue getting to know with the amazing city of Shymkent. Right now, we are in the historical part of our town, the Ordabasi Square. Ordabasi is a historical hill where the three big Kazakh Juzes met in order to fight against the Jungars. Just behind me, we have the square dedicated to the Kazakh symbolics. We have a flag stick of 50 meters. We have the coats of arms, and there we have the map of Kazakhstan and the words of wisdom. So due to the many historical events, Kazakhstan has become a multi-ethnic country, and this monument symbolizes the tolerance and the friendship of all the nations who live in Kazakhstan under one dome, which we call Shangrak, in peace and quiet. Shymkent is the oldest city in Kazakhstan with a history of 2,200 years. And now we are in the historical core of our city, the fortress of Shymkent. We call it Shymkhala, and it's right behind me. So it's made of the citadel part, the Shahristan part, and the Rabat part. After a long journey and a hot day, what could be better than a mug of cold Shymkent kvass? Welcome to Barno Kvass, a specialty drink of Shymkent. Cheers!